Let's learn how to change password on Facebook. If you suspect maybe somebody else has your account password or you just wanted to update it to something new, because of that, I will show you how to do that. First, let's open Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account on which you want to change password. Next step you need to do is to go on 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner of the screen. On this menu, you can see in top right corner of the screen, little gear icon, and click on it. That open this settings and privacy menu on which you need on first menu account center to click on this blue option, see more in account center. Now you have to open a password and security option. You can see on this menu that to have all important setting of password and security of your profile, but in our case we need to go on first option change password. Then Meta shows you all your Instagrams and Facebook's profile and go to select Facebook account on you want to change password. Now first you need to enter an old password. Also you can see when that password is last updated, and second enter a 2-time new password and go to click on blue button in the bottom of the screen where is written change password, and you are done. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.